We provide Access Server for VMware ESXi as an open virtual appliance or OVA file that's ready for deployment on your ESXi host. The Access Server appliance is built on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and includes guest support software compatible with VMware environments. It comes pre-configured with 2 GB of RAM, 50 GB of disk space, and 2 virtual CPUs. The OVA package simplifies deployment and requires VMware ESXi version 6.5 or newer, supporting virtual hardware version 13 or above. In this video, we'll walk through how to deploy the Access Server OVA on an ESXi hypervisor and begin using the Access Server web interface for VPN management. To begin, you'll need to download the Access Server OVA file. Start by signing into the Access Server portal on our website. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once signed in, click on Get Access Server and choose VMware ESXi under the section labeled Containers and Virtual Machines. Then click the Download OVA button to begin downloading the file to your local system. Next, sign into your VMware ESXi web interface. Right-click on the host and select Create Register VM. In the wizard, choose the option to deploy a virtual machine from an OVF or OVA file and proceed by clicking Next. Enter a name for your virtual machine and select the OVA file you just downloaded. Continue through the wizard by selecting the data store where you want to deploy the appliance, choosing the appropriate network, and then reviewing the settings. Click Finish to start the deployment process, and wait for the task to complete. Once deployment is finished, locate the new virtual machine in the ESXi interface and open the virtual console. This will take a few seconds. After connecting to the console, you'll see the URL for the admin web UI. You can also access the appliance console directly from the ESXi web interface using root as username and OpenVPN AS as password. Now open a web browser and go to the admin web UI URL shown in the console. Access Server's web interface comes with a self-signed certificate. This allows you to sign into the admin web UI right away. Since it's self-signed, it triggers an expected warning. We recommend adding your own SSL certificate in the admin web UI to resolve this. By clicking through to the site, you can continue to the web interface. At the login screen, enter the username and password for your OpenVPN user, which we got from our console. The first time you access the admin web UI, you'll need to accept the end user license agreement. Once signed in, you'll have full access to the admin web UI, where you can manage your Access Server configuration, generate and manage certificates, create user accounts, and control VPN settings. This intuitive browser-based interface simplifies what would otherwise require complex command line operations. For more information on advanced configuration and best practices, refer to our official documentations or check out our additional video tutorials.